A Moorhead man is in jail after waving a BB gun around in a parking lot downtown. Guadalupe Longoria was arrested last night in the Bell State Bank parking lot for terrorizing, possession of cocaine, methamphetamine, and drug paraphernalia. Police say the situation in the parking lot stemmed from a fight in a bar earlier that night. And police also arrested 3 others in the lot. Jessica Caballero of Glendon was arrested for possession of methamphetamine, and the other 2 were arrested for unrelated outstanding warrants.